To start things off, this is just to help you better understand the Kardashev scale. In this video would be explaining universes, and the next few videos would be learning the like multiverses and etc. Confused with our observable universe. The universe contains all space, time, and everything. A universe could be described as an independent segment of possibly a bubble of space, which is defined beginning point, typically a Big Bang, and a set of physical laws which may or may not line up with the ones humanity observes. The only thing aside from uh, the carvers, something like that can be before the universe is the law of dimensional cycle. Most known universes are said to contain an Earth, but in the multiverse case, there can only exist one prime Earth, and that concept gives us the idea that reality must exist and branch out from the original reality it started from. This idea, however, varies depending on the creator, or simply a scientific process such as Big Bang, which was triggered by a protoverse known as the absolute smallest building block that can ever be, or at least discovered to be the smallest, as science and theories are always going in other information. To travel between universes is possible for extremely advanced civilization through the use of wormholes, dark energy, time maneuvering, and other space warping mechanisms, or rarely portals. Additionally, beings can transverse through universes easily. Most universes, especially ours, shall eventually die, as the second law of thermodynamics ensures that energy becomes less and less usable over time. This may not always be the case with alternate physical laws, however. Research structure. A typical universe starts in a Big Bang with quantification at Planck temperatures to create space-time. Eventually, this comes together in large numbers to form gluons. These gluons can eventually form into quarks, which create protons and neutrons. Protons come together sometimes with neutrons to form atoms, the basic building blocks of all materials. These atomic nuclei also form electrons around them to propel against protons. This forms an atom, the basic building block of all material. The first atom is hydrogen, but then helium atoms form, and soon do lithium, boron, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, sodium, and many more. These start forming meteors and asteroids and planets. Eventually, some planets grow large enough, becoming stars. Nearby planets get pulled out of orbit, creating a planetary system. This eventually forms star clusters, which form galaxies. These form galaxy clusters, which form superclusters, which these form huge cosmic webs covering about 5% of the observable part of the new universe. All the information in this video was from the Beyond Universe wiki page on the fandom.com.